Hey guys, it's Hannah and we're back with Howstuffinmycarworks. Today we're going to be doing a fun video. So this car right here we actually got from a previous owner, and a lot of modifications were made to it. One of the things that we noticed was that when they made some modifications, they actually changed the steering wheel that was on the car. And because of this, the steering wheel is a little bit closer to the turn signal lever than we would like it to be. So today we're going to be showing you how to install a spacer if you have a similar issue, so that you don't have that, closeness of and that awkwardness of accidentally turning the turn lever whenever you're just driving straight. So actually what's kind of fun about this is that I made the spacer out of an AC clutch. So we took this here, we cut this piece off of it, and it happened to fit perfectly into the spot behind the steering wheel. So we'll get to that and we'll show you how to install it. Alright guys, so here is said steering wheel, and here's a little close-up of it. And you can see here that it doesn't have the airbag, and this is what I was talking about with the turn lever. So if you're driving, even if you're just kind of like shift your wheel a little bit, you might accidentally turn the turn lever without trying to. So we're going to space that out today so that doesn't happen anymore. Alright, so I'm going to use my Allen wrench to remove these retaining bolts, which will remove the wheel. Got it, yeah, that is off. That last screw, this top part here, and then we'll remove the wheel like that. Alright, so now that we have the wheel off, we're basically just going to reattach it with the spacer in place. So we're going to take the spacer and of course going to make sure that it lines up correctly with the holes. Alright, so yeah, that's a good fit right there. And then I'm going to put the wheel, what I'm going to do is line it up on here, I think, too. Because that way I can so this is lined up, and don't forget this top piece if you have one like this. And okay, now all three of these pieces are lined up. Got the screw in there, so we're good to go. And then we're going to put this in this little hole here and just screw it in place so we have everything set in the right spots. Actually screws in pretty well without even needing to use the wrench. Okay, so yeah, we're using longer bolts for this one. I'm actually just going to screw these in with my fingers and then tighten them at the end. Make sure everything's straight and lined up so you don't have to unscrew anything. Alright, and we'll take our Allen wrench and we'll turn them and make them tight. Alright, so we're good to go. Alright, so that fixed our problem. You see here that the turn lever is not going to be affected whenever our hands are on the steering wheel here, which is perfect. That's exactly what we wanted. So there you have it. That's how you add a spacer into your steering wheel if you ever need to do that. Any questions, comments, or if you like this video, like and comment down below, and we'll see you next time on Howstuffinmycarworks.